Alright, YouTubers, it's not Hacks with you. Again, once again, with my newest Lego gun. It's awesome. Okay. It's actually a lot simpler than my other guns, because, well, it really only has a bolt. Doesn't have no firing pin or hammer or anything. Well, and if you're wondering why I'm not in my other room, it's because I moved. So, yeah. Okay. Mag. Pretty cool. Alright, ammunition. Each mag holds 4 bullets. I only made 1 mag. So, yeah. Okay. So, you put them in like this. Right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I got the coughs. Yeah. And then this is just to keep it to keep the bullets from flying out of the mag when it's not in the gun. Right? This is pretty cool because when it's actually loaded, the stopper doesn't fall out. But when it actually hits the gun, when it actually goes into the gun, it sort of pushes down on the first bullet and it falls out. So it's pretty sick. So yeah, well, how it really works is that this thing right here, it's held by a rubber band, and it propels forward, and it hits one of the bullets, and the bullet goes flying. Okay. So I'm gonna do a demonstration here. So the gun is sort of like this. And the mag, yeah. So stick it in. You get a nice pat. And this thing falls out. Should. Right. And then take this thing, take it all the way back, and this next bullet goes into the chamber. Alright. I gotta blind for this one because I don't want to have my head blocking the view. Alright. Oh yeah. Iron sights. Iron sights on this gun is pretty sick. All you have to do is look through there, and you look onto that little hole, sort of. Okay. So let me fire that one for you. Yeah. The stock is removable. Huh. So, yeah, let me put that on again. Okay, so I'm gonna fire this one. Pretty sick, huh? Not really. Okay. So yeah, just recock the weapon, pull it back on this, and next round pops up. I also built in a safety switch onto this gun, right here. Right now, you can still pull the trigger, and this will fire. But if you push in on this safety switch, you can no longer pull the trigger. Right? To make the safety, well, to let the safety go, simply press this button in here. Okay. So, yeah. Again. Pretty sick, huh? Last but not least, I also built in, or I just built a scope, sort of. Got a cough. Just push that on, and you got yourself a scope. It's pretty sick, actually. And if you remember, I only fired 2 rounds, so I still got 2 more. I'm gonna let you look into that scope. Okay, if you can see that, there's 2 pegs right there. Look, yeah, you look through that hole and the 2 pegs, and that's where your bullet should go if your hands are steady. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so cock again. Next round goes up and fire. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so I got one last round into the bullet, in the mag. So yeah, recock. Next bullet pops up, and you're free to fire. That was pretty good. So yeah, this is not hacked, and please subscribe. Don't really know what that does though.